What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Max Attack Motorsports with doryoku.streetworks. I appreciate you guys watching another video. I know the videos have been kind of slim lately. I got a lot going on, some updates and stuff like that. But today, yes, we're at the Woodstock Fair. So originally I wasn't actually going to film this, but one of my good buddies is participating in the compact class. So basically a full-blown smash-up derby. Mounted my camera or my mount for the car that I usually use for the figure eight stuff, but I figured I'd give you guys a POV view of what's going on in the pit as we're here at Woodstock. But yeah, a lot of things going on. So September 7th, Japan Classic Track Day. I'll be filming that as always, doing some interviews and stuff like that. Really big event, as you guys know. Been doing it for the past couple of years. So September 7th, if you're in the Toronto area, pre-2000s JDM, as well as anything JDM show and shine, we'll get that live to you on the channel. As far as the car goes, or the cars that we have, the Volvo, haven't really done too much. Basically, it's where we left off, everything being stripped out, getting ready to do the swap. The Acura, however, I kind of stopped doing the whole like build type of videos because I found that like the reach on it wasn't too much, and there's so much videos of that stuff out there. But yeah, so the Acura, basically the entire front end has been rebuilt. The manual swap is done on it. However, as we're getting closer towards the winter, I won't be driving the car on the road and probably till next year. So hopefully next year I can get some POVs when it comes to that type of stuff, going to some of the events, as well as like, you know, I mean, cars of bubble tea, which is a famous thing here in the Toronto area. And then Japan Classic next year, we'll be able to track it. But today, I just want to show you guys again, Woodstock Fair. We'll do a little bit of a walk around again, just so you guys can see some of the cars going on. The pit is in that area over there. We have everything from figure eight racing to compact, as well as junk run. And there is pro stock V8s, which I think is going on today too. So yeah, another video. I miss doing these videos, I'll be honest with you. Just so much going on when it comes to the whole doryoku thing. DXM was a great success. The podcast, again, the podcast. I will be doing more podcasts with Vince and Vincent at some point, and Jason. Will get some more videos out for you guys. It's just been a little hectic for everyone, and unfortunately we just don't have the time to film every day. So, but again, let's go for a walk around Woodstock Fair and take a look at some of the vehicles that will be competing today. It's still a little bit early, so I don't think there's going to be too much more coming in, but maybe the odd ones as this junk run. I don't know what that is, to be honest with you. I thought it was an Aerostar. I think it's a Pontiac. I just forget the model on it. But again, everything from figure eight to mini smash. There's a figure eight car right there that looks to be like a 9th gen, or not, I should say 9th gen. That might be an 8th gen two-door. Very similar to our style. Another Civic over here as well. Again, Impact Motorsports is hosting this today. Here's one of our Pro Stock V8s. Again, these cars will have the most power here, probably the most built in the area. Get ready to go. Yes, sir, guys. So very, very heavily built, big power V8s, the way derbies should be. Take a big sniff, you guys can't smell it, but you can definitely smell the 98 plus octane. Jason Gilbert, figure eight champion. We raced against him last year, I think, in Milton. We will be doing the Milton Fair again. I'll get you guys on board with that. Again, some of these guys just kind of mashing some of the stuff together. I know this stuff isn't for everyone, but it really shows you what cars can actually handle. Like, for example, this thing's still running, still moving, gonna compete today. A lot of people, I mean, they consider derby stuff to be pretty redneck, which it is. A lot of Jimmy rigging and stuff, but it really does show you that cars can handle a lot more than just a squeaky wheel or my brakes or whatever. As all of these guys are getting ready for tech. This Jimmy getting ready for the junk run. This guy's actually parked beside us in the EG Civic. When's the last time you saw an EG Civic at a fair? I'm so sorry, Honda guys. You have to see this right now. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's just a D series still, but the EG Civic. These are our boys over here with our car, as well as majority of the figure 8 cars that compete basically for the entire season when it comes to these fall fairs, summer fairs in Ontario. Again, well built. Most of them are Ecotechs from the Cavaliers or the Sunfires, but pretty wild. There's a nice little van there. It looks like an Odyssey or some sort of Toyota Sienna maybe, that will be competing in Junk Run, another pro stock car here. But yeah, it's a super hot day here, Woodstock Fair. And again, our camera's gonna be mounted in my buddy Mike's. He's got a 2004 Sebring, so I'll give you guys a little bit of different view just to pass the time. Want to make another video again, something that you guys can enjoy until Japan Classic. But yeah guys, thank you so much for being here for this video. Let's get you guys mounted and seated in the car, and then I'll see you guys afterwards. Hey, you're good? Have fun? Hey, have fun? Take your time, okay? Don't rush. Yes guys, so there we go. 2024 Woodstock Fair on board 2004 Sebring number 101. Again, pretty easy build, a basic build, nothing too crazy, but yeah, the car is pretty much done. So basically the back end went up exactly the way we wanted it to, but we took a good shot in the front end, which essentially folded back the rad cradle, which cracked the valve cover, also took out the entire coolant system. But yeah, hopefully the footage was okay. I know it's a little bent in there, so you guys might have got a little sideways, but we're here, Woodstock Fair, Impact Motorsports hosting the compact class. A lot of fun, beautiful sunny day, everyone's kind of filtering out. We were the last heat of the day, so yeah, I appreciate you guys watching another video. And again, doryoku.streetworks on Instagram, Kaizo Supply Co as well, our good buddies, and maxattackmotorsports on Instagram. So I'll hopefully see you guys soon at Japan Classic, September 7th, 2024 at Kyuga, also known as TMP. So if you're in a pre-2000s JDM car, you're allowed on track. JDM only for the show and shine. Other than that, Milton Fall Fair is my next event, which I'll be running figure 8 with the Honda Civic, and then going into the winter time. So thank you guys so much again for watching another video. I know this stuff is a little bit different for what a lot of you guys want and what you're used to, but it's still a nice sunny day here just outside Toronto in Woodstock, Ontario, enjoying the summer with our 2004 Sebring in the compact heat of Impact Motorsports. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on the video if you'd like to. Other than that, take care guys. We'll talk to you soon. Ciao.